Linktree tutorial for beginners. Linktree for your social media management and automation. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you all about Linktree. What are the different features and tools we get in order to manage our social media and automate our social media posts to get more traffic and run a successful account. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to linktr.ee and you will land on this platform right here. Linktree is world's leading platform that allows you to create your own social media accounts and link your account to one admin. You can collect payments, you can manage your accounts very easily, and it's very secure and private. We can also customize our Linktree experience. We get our own analytics and insights, and we can add different integrations in order to customize our Linktree experience. To get started with Linktree, you can simply click on sign up for free, and then you can simply create a new account. Simply enter the email address right here and then password. You will also select a reasonable username and then simply click on I agree to terms and conditions. Click on sign up with this email. After the initial sign up, this is where you will get. This is our Linktree/admin. Now I will show you how we can simply go ahead and create different posts, how we can automate our work and manage our social media. So you can see right here, our first option is links. We can simply create new links and add new links right here. Then we have the appearance option. In appearance, I can customize my link tree. Then we have settings, analytics, where I will be able to check all the insights and analytics to my social media. And then we have upgrade option. So let's move on to links first and let me show you how we can add any social media to our link tree right here. So we simply click on add new link, and after that I will be able to add a new link right here. Adding a new link simply means adding a new social media to your link tree. We can also explore different options from this option and we can simply add different links such as YouTube, we have videos, we have podcasts, we have PayPal, we have Square and more. So let's say that I want to add YouTube. So I will simply click on add and now I can simply go to URL, paste the URL of my YouTube channel, click enter and it will be added right here. We can then change our title and what you need to do is simply change the title to whatever you want to. I'm going to call it YouTube. There you go. Then we have the redirect option, YouTube link, thumbnail, prioritize, schedule, log, and analytics. Now I have all of these different options and I can just, do a lot of things with it. Let's say that I want to add a thumbnail. Simply click on thumbnail, click on set thumbnail and you will be able to upload your own thumbnail or maybe choose from a tabular icon. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead and select this alien right here. Now, this is going to be my thumbnail and I can change it anytime. Then we have prioritize option and I can just prioritize this URL right here. Then I can schedule a post to my YouTube. Let's say that I want to schedule a video that I want to post. So I will simply go to the schedule option and I will be able to do so. Then I can lock it and also check the direct analytics to my YouTube. You can see right here, I am getting all of the insights to my URL right here. And then again, I can click on add new link. And this time, maybe I can add my Facebook. Simply click on URL and paste the URL for your Facebook. And then again, we have all of these different options. You can also check that this is going to be the link for your link tree. And I can simply copy this link or share the link from here. And this is a preview of my link tree and it has YouTube. Similarly, I can add as many social medias as I want to and they will be shown right here. I will be able to manage them from this admin right here, my Instagram, my Facebook, YouTube, Shopify, and others. We can also add requests. Then we have contact details, stores, video headers, and contact forms. And if I want to add a store, contact details, video, header, or a contact form, I can simply go ahead and do that. Let's say that I want to add a header to my link tree right here. And I can actually design it the way I want to. And I can also give it a title. And you can see the header is shown right here. Similarly, I can go to explore again, and this time maybe add a contact form or request a payment. Then we have the appearance option right here on Linktree that allows us to customize our appearance. So this is my profile name right now. I can simply go ahead and change it to any profile name I want to. Then we have different themes available and I can select from a theme. You can see there is a black theme, there is a white, gray, then we have mint, bloom, then we have this one. Okay, so this one looks pretty amazing and I can just simply select this one. You will be able to check the preview right here. And this is what my Linktree looks like now. I can also change this image right here and I can pick from my computer and change the image. Similarly, I can add a buyer. So it works like any other social media, but the difference is that we will be able to manage and add all of our social media to one platform. And then we can simply share the link of our Linktree and somebody will open it up, click on the link, and they will be able to access all of our social media. We can add our LinkedIn as well for work. We can also add our YouTube channels or our online stores to grow our business. Then we get these settings, and in settings, we of course have different settings such as SEO, we have analytics, social icons, affiliate programs. So you will be able to find everything right here. We also get the integrations right in settings. When it comes to integrations, you can simply click on add integration, and then you can add a payment integration such as Square, PayPal, Stripe, Shopify, and Spring. So these are for payment and e-commerce. You can simply integrate a store or a payment method with the integration. And then there is analytics that give us all the insights to our social media, what's happening, how many clicks did we get on our Linktree, how many people actually visited our Linktree, and what is the status. You will get your views, clicks, CTR, and revenue right here. Because if you're getting paid, then you will check your revenue right here, and then you can also add an easy withdraw method. You will be also able to check your commerce, and you will also be able to check your activity and insight to your e-commerce. Then we have top locations. That means you will be able to check the traffic that you're getting. Then we have top reference and device analytics. So this is a complete review for Linktree, and it's very easy platform to use with all the right features and tools for us in order to help us automate and manage our social media and e-commerce. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. So yeah, also leave a comment down below what was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.